Alright, what is up, all you gorgeous people? I'm here to bring you what I believe will be a very interesting video where I kind of want to discuss what I see as what to look out for when we're going to get an altcoin bull run here. When are the altcoins going to take off? Because Bitcoin has been going up parabolically. But I kind of want to discuss some of the things that I think we need to keep an eye out for in regards to kind of gauging when the altcoins being, for those who don't know, altcoins is basically everything else other than Bitcoin. When those are really going to start to take off. So I think there's going to be two charts we need to look out here for. The Bitcoin dominance chart and the ETH BTC pair chart. Let's delve into this. Shout out to Donovan Jolly for tipping me off to this idea. I'm going to discuss the importance of the ETH BTC chart. I'm also going to leave a link in the description down to a video where he talked about the importance of this, where he briefly mentioned it. He talked about other things too in that video. But guys, let's delve into this because I think I'll be able to summarize it better. Just kidding, guys. So let's delve into this. Why does the altcoin bull run matter? Well, because while Bitcoin is taking off, but very soon, I believe, altcoins are going to start to take off. Ethereum, Chainlink, XRP, vechain, some of the largest altcoins, Polkadot, Cardano, much of the altcoin market, in fact, I think is very, soon. I mean, as soon is a subjective thing, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I think we are likely to expect altcoins to take off in the near future. So I kind of want to delve into what are some of the signs to look out for when we are to expect an altcoin bull run, which is firstly, I think we need to keep an eye out on Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin dominance starts to pull back, I think that's going to alleviate pressure off the altcoins and is going to give them room to explode, especially since Bitcoin has been breaking out so bullishly. The altcoins typically lag behind Bitcoin. So for those of you who don't know, Bitcoin dominance is the amount of market cap Bitcoin takes up compared to the rest of the cryptocurrency market. So as Bitcoin increases in value, it typically takes up a higher market cap in comparison to the rest of the cryptocurrency market. So, once we start to see Bitcoin cool off a little bit, I think it's going to give altcoins a chance to shoot up as well. ETH compared to BTC, because Ethereum being the largest altcoin in the world, it affects all other altcoins. And once Ethereum really starts to take off, which it has been as of late, but it hasn't been exploding as explosively as Bitcoin has, although we have been taking off quite a bit. But guys, so I think shout out to Donovan Hall. He pointed out how where the ETH BTC chart is very near to significant support all throughout this area. There is significant support now. We are below our EMAs on the daily, which is bearish. But if we are indeed to get some kind of pullback, whether with Bitcoin, whether that's at 18, 20, 22, at some point, we don't know when the pullback with Bitcoin is going to happen. We just know that we are to expect one at some point in the near future. Again, near future being subjective. We don't know if that's going to take the form of consolidation with Bitcoin or a minor pullback or a substantial pullback, 20, 30, 40%. We don't know for sure. But once Bitcoin does, the ETH BTC pair will start to take off. Ethereum will start to increase in value. Bitcoin dominance will start to fall. And when Ethereum goes, the altcoins go with it. So I hope I'm making some degree of sense here. But guys, we may continue to see some downtrending here with the ETH BTC pair. But again, we're all this area, we have significant support throughout all this entire area. So like Donovan was pointing out, he imagines how he may find support all throughout this area, and I tend to agree. I totally see it being possible that we could find support on this area. And once the ETH BTC pair starts to move up a little bit, I think Ethereum is going to start to continue to move up. Bitcoin dominance will fall down, and the altcoins will really start to take off. Many have already been pumping quite a good bit here, like Chainlink, for example. Now, Chainlink pumped up here, but got rejected off the 1340, 1350 there. Let's see. Who knows if it'll make another attempt to go up here. If we can get past this range here, guys, I think $15 is not too far away. And after Chainlink flips 15 into support, I think we're going to see all-time highs very soon after, and we're going to blow past all-time highs very soon after. Because if we do indeed see a $15, $15.50 Chainlink, that means that altcoin season is really starting, in my opinion. And we're going to see continuation with not just Chainlink, but likely Ethereum, possibly XRP, and many other altcoins. So this is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? I'm just some dude trying to learn about trading and investing myself. I find this shit interesting to talk about, and hopefully you guys find it interesting as well. So that's why I'm doing this. Yeah, XRP got rejected off 30 cents, which makes a lot of sense. There's a lot of resistance, very strong resistance all throughout the low 30-cent range. Now, yeah, this makes a whole lot of sense. We're finding support on the 100 EMA, on the hourly, also at this price level, which makes a lot of sense. So what may happen here is XRP typically lags behind Ethereum and Bitcoin. If those continue to take off, then XRP might lag behind. It might, if we find support here, I think we're gonna make a second attempt to break past the low 30s. I think to keep our eye out with XRP is we have the Spark token airdrop early December. I think that's gonna be a major catalyst for XRP. Oh, and how could I forget, guys? We have a major catalyst with Ethereum early December. Ethereum 2.0 is gonna be released. If Ethereum 2.0 is even mildly successful, Ethereum could really shoot up. It could really take off. But we'll see though. I think part of Ethereum 2.0, it requires a certain amount of Ethereum being staked, being locked up. I forget what it is exactly, guys. But it's a lot, and I don't think they're there yet. I think they need like a few 100,000 Ethereum, and they've only locked up like 90,000 so far. So who knows if they'll meet their deadline, which I believe is December 1st. But if they don't reach their deadline of having a certain amount of Ethereum locked up for staking, they'll just push the date back. So Ethereum 2.0, whether it's not December 1st or whether it's a week later or a couple weeks later, point is Ethereum 2.0 is going to be released very soon. If it's even mildly successful, I think Ethereum is going to take off. And again, the altcoins follow Ethereum. So if we start to see Ethereum blow past 400, 450, let's take a look at this chart here, guys. ETH. Yeah. Ooh, we're pumping like right now. Jeez, we're getting rejected though. Oof. Yep. There we go. Yeah, guys. Ooh, damn, y'all. Oh shit. Oh shit. I didn't even notice. Fuck, guys. We poked above significant major resistance at the 490. The 490 was extremely significant. Now we got rejected, but the fact that we blew up means that a bunch of sell orders was filled at this price. So whatever sell wall was at 490 and 500 was lessened. I'm sure there's one still there, but it was definitely lessened. That's actually crazy. Now we got rejected for sure, guys, but the fact that we blew past the 490 is crazy. I think it's just a matter of time before there's a second attempt to blow past 490, 500. Significant, important resistance there. Jesus, if Bitcoin decides to either cool down, have a pullback, consolidation, Ethereum's gonna shoot the fuck up, guys. Like, jeez, it's a big deal, very big deal. Oh yeah, finding support on our EMAs. Oh, we have decreasing volume. That is fucking not bueno. No bueno. Guys, I'm telling you right now, if we see a $500 Ethereum, like, I don't want to call this thing too early. The official start of the altcoin season 2.0, but I don't think it's too far away, guys. Like, 500 is significant resistance, but so is like the low 500s here. Yeah, 415 to 416 is also significant. So yeah, like, so here's what I see happening. If we can blow past 490 and 5, we're going to 515, 516. That's the next major resistance. After that, guys, we're flying. We're flying, especially with Ethereum 2.0. Bitcoin starting, in my opinion, the beginning stages of a brand new bull run. It's going to last all through 2021. Guys, this is it. I think we're in the beginning stages, the early stages of a of a second alt season. We had a mini one back in August, and I think this one coming up is going to be much bigger. But we'll see. This could take a while. We could have substantial pullbacks. The Americans could decide to start a war, crash their stock market. Who knows? A lot of stuff could happen, guys. But yeah. Also, take a look at here at vechain real quick before we wrap up. Yeah, so vechain broke out bullishly from major resistance, but we got rejected off of major resistance. So yeah, decreasing volume. We may see pullbacks here with vechain. Vechain is really trying to break out bullishly here. We're making higher highs, broke above significant resistance on the higher time frames. We flipped our EMAs into support. Yes, oof. Yeah, guys, I think we're gonna make another attempt to go up here. We're above this red line here. I think what's gonna happen here with vechain, we're gonna go up, retest this red line, and then we may break back up or may get rejected and fall down and likely find support on this green line or this red line here. This is very interesting. Decreasing volume. That's no bueno. Finding support on the 20. Oh, is that the 2? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I think it's gonna go up. I mean, as long as we can hold above this EMA, it's gonna go up. I think we're gonna go up to this price level here. Hold on, let's see here. Might even hop on along. We'll see. Another thing to consider too is I'm noticing that the altcoins they move in cycles, guys. We do trade individual coins, and individual coins do have specific charts and patterns that is specific to the coin and their niche. But guys, the altcoins they follow the momentum of the market. If the market as a whole is bullish, many altcoins are bullish. Like I bring this up just to say, like, something I've been noticing as of recent is I've been focusing too much on trading individual coins and their individual charts without really taking into account the macro market. And if Ethereum starts to really take off here, I think a lot of altcoins like XRP, Link, vechain, and many others will benefit from that as well. So guys, you know, I hope I've rambled along long enough here. It's just, sorry, I'm taking all this in, y'all. Interesting shit, guys. Interesting days ahead. Interesting days. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. I know this video is long, but it's worthwhile, I feel like, because even though I'm kind of rambling on here and switching back and forth, it's because I think an altcoin bull run is not too far away, and all these coins are at extremely significant price levels, especially Ethereum. Ethereum's almost at a major breakout point. We're very close, y'all. Very interesting times. I think 2021 is going to be crazy for crypto, y'all. All right. Now, before I wrap up here, I want to take the chance to talk about GSX. This is a brand new cryptocurrency. It hasn't even been released to the exchanges yet. It's gold-backed crypto made by Apollo Fintech. I bring this up because they're currently in their coin distribution event, their coin offering, they're selling this thing. And down in the description, there's a 5% sign bonus where if you sign up using my link down below for gold-backed cryptocurrency, you get a 5% additional sign-up bonus, and I get a commission based off it. So this is almost like a sponsorship. So just be aware of that. And but before you fall more into this, let me just talk a little bit about what this is. Apollo Fintech runs these gold mines. They claim half of the profits from these gold mines will go to actually backing the cryptocurrency itself. They're currently offering a 34% sign-up bonus. They're working on a Binance listing. This is their timeline here. They claim that 3 years after release, they'll have an asset valuation of $1 per coin. Now they're currently offering it for 10 cents a coin, so that would be a 10x in 3 years. But just remember, the trading price may be more or less than the assets actually backing the coin. They offer yearly dividends, and they will be doing a token burn. So interesting things, guys. Those are some of the pros I see with this. Now, in regards to the cons, the biggest risk I see with this thing is I have no idea how well Apollo Fintech is running these mines. They may be running them well, they may not be. Ultimately, guys, please do your own research. I'm gonna leave a link in the description also to their website, their white paper, so you guys can do your own research, look into it some more. And again, if you like the idea, just check out the link down in the description. There's an additional 5% sign-up bonus. Please practice risk management, meaning don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. Practice portfolio diversification. Don't throw all your eggs into one basket. I'm not a financial advisor, though, so do what's best for you. And understand your own risk tolerances. These are just general. No, I'm not going to say advice. It's not advice. I don't give out advice. But guys, these are just some kind of basic things people ought to know. And, I'm not very risk averse, so I decided to invest into something new. Any crypto that's new carries some degree of risk. Now, I felt this was compelling enough that I decided to invest in it. So there you go. There's that option, y'all. Do your own research. And hey, if you want to participate, link down in the description. Also, there's a link down in the description for crypto.com. Crypto.com is a very easy, simple to use, streamlined exchange where you can buy crypto directly from a debit or credit card. I always recommend to new people using crypto.com or just people who want to use an easy to use exchange. And then as well, if you like what I do and you want to support me in this channel, there's also the option to donate cryptocurrency directly to myself. There's addresses down in the description for different cryptos. Please only do so if you're well off and you can spare it, okay? The most important thing is that we all focus on collecting our own bags for this next bull run. But again, there's just that option there. And for all of you sticking around this long, holy shit, you guys are troopers. Appreciate the hell out of you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will talk to you later.